Something may be blocking you, maybe there is an obstacle in the way, maybe you don't quite know what that is. Maybe you are finding it difficult to choose between multiple options. When we are being pulled in two different directions because there are two decisions that we are finding really difficult to choose from, it is because I now choose with my free will to become the audience so that I can tap into any questions that they might have and then answer them. Thank you. Okay, the question that I actually got quite a few questions come through, but the one I chose to answer was how to know if I am making the right decision. Before we jump into this video, I just want to say thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I love having conversation with you guys. If you do resonate with this video and you get any value from it, please do leave a comment, like and subscribe, because it really does help the channel. But without further ado, let's jump straight in. Sometimes in life we can get stuck. We may feel like we literally don't know what is the best option to move forwards with, and it creates kind of like a paralysis where we are stuck from even taking one step forwards. And I always think that when I'm on this path of spiritual evolution towards my purpose, my higher purpose, the reason that I came here to earth, I always think that as long as I am putting one foot in front of the other, then I am doing really well. But sometimes when we are walking this path, it comes a time where you struggle to put that next step forward. Something may be blocking you, maybe there is an obstacle in the way, maybe you don't quite know what that is, what it is that's blocking you. Maybe you are finding it difficult to choose between multiple options. This can be something that is holding you back. One thing that I learned from Teal Swan, she has an amazing practice on making decisions, is that when we are being pulled in two different directions because there are two decisions that we are finding really difficult to choose from, it is because the result, what we will get from either of those choices, both hold very high value to us. Say, for example, each choice had 6 things that we will get as a result of choosing these decisions. When we put in order the importance of those results to us, the top 2 on the list are likely to be from each decision, because the results coming from both decisions are very important to us. So what we have to do is find out what is the most top priority for us. I will give you an example. Let's say Nicola is choosing to either end her relationship or stay in her relationship with her current partner. What she would do in this process is to write down choice 1, choice 2, then she would list underneath each choice what she would get as a result of choosing this choice, and try to list at least 5 or more results of choosing this choice. Maybe there's 3 different choices that you are facing. Once you have figured out what you're going to get as a result, you're going to get a list of needs or values, and right next to each result, the need or the value that corresponds to that result. And then once you've done that, you're going to write a new list, which is the priority list, and you're going to write down which need is most important to you. The one that is number 1 is the choice that you're going to choose. Teal Swan explains this in her video. I'm not going to act like this is my process, because it's not. I learned it from her, but I absolutely love teaching people to do this, because this is a great way to know if you are making the right decision. After uncovering the deeper reason why you are so torn between these 2 paths, you will then be able to understand the one that you have chosen is the right one for you, because you know why at this point after doing this process. And that is my answer to that question. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did get any value from this, if you resonated with this video, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos, and it really does help the channel. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Peace, namaste, have a beautiful day. Peace.